This is the 4824 Immobiliser from Vodafone Automotive. It's the new bit of kit, so let's check it out. Inside the box you have your driver's card, or automatic driver recognition card. Nice and tidy. You can buy a second one as well, it's an option. You've got your main immobiliser unit, which is nice, small, compact, easy to hide. A couple of wiring harnesses. Now you'll see there's quite a few wires, I'll explain this in a bit. And you've got your LED control panel. Plus the usual stickers and so forth. So, how does it work? Quite simply, once it's installed, when you turn the ignition off and exit the vehicle, the immobiliser automatically arms after 55 seconds, or I can change that time and program it to be a bit less if you want, but 55 is default. And then when you come back to the vehicle, the driver's card comes back into range, the immobiliser automatically disarms, and you can drive the car. It's that simple. The 4824 can also work as a CAN bus alarm. So if your vehicle is listed on my website as being one of the compatible vehicles, I will leave a link in the description, and I update the list quite regularly. Then this could be a good option as a basic alarm system. So when I say basic, being CAN bus, it's going to arm and disarm with the factory keyless entry system. It's going to honk the horn and flash the hazard lights if there's an intrusion, and it's going to give you door boot bonnet protection basically, as well as the immobiliser function. What it won't do is it will not work as a PLIP alarm, and it will not work as a remote alarm. If you want a bit more options, then check out the 4822. That's the full-on Big Brother version of this. This is lacking the tilt sensor. It's also lacking inputs for ultrasonics. But if you just want a basic alarm that's going to do the job, highly recommended. If you want a slightly more rugged immobiliser with an extra couple of cuts, I can also add on the 8509 immobiliser. This is the sealed case. You can't get inside it. It's completely attack proof. It can marry up to this via the secure data bus wire. Bloody good option as a combination. And again, they're small, they're modular. I can hide them all in separate locations. It's a very effective immobiliser, and it's convenient having the driver's card. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.